What's up, paid to play community? We're going to be looking at Thetan Arena, and today we're going to be talking about the roadmap, looking at some actual gameplay, and I'm going to open up a few boxes, and we're going to talk about the team and where we can expect this game to go, because this game is absolutely blowing up. It's already hit 750 and it dropped down just a little bit, but man. Alright, here, let's open up some boxes and get into some gameplay here for you guys. This is a legendary box that has a chance to pump out a mythical skin. Let's go ahead.
Don't let boundaries limit you.
Bring me to the living.
Alright, here we go. We got the 3 heroes. We got the 2 we just opened up. And let's hop into some gameplay here. Starting up a battle royale right here.
The battle begins.
War is unbearable. It's a
my God.
magnificent painting.
What? Nice.
Oh,
What?
I was
Dude,
fighting too many people. That was the one guy we were fighting too. We took out his teammate.
Yeah, and he just keeps waiting. Dude, you did work though, man. You're popping. That guy couldn't even touch you.
There you go. Teamed up with my boy from Discord.
First strike.
Just annihilated that dude.
Combo wombo down, man. This guy doesn't know what's coming.
Double kill.
And we're right in the middle of it too.
Oh, there's one real low. Got him. Got this one here. Oh,
Oh.
he's low.
He's low.
Yeah. Can't get his teammate, so that's good.
Oh, no way. No way. No way. He fucking plungered my ass. Son of a bitch. So up here, we got the in-game currencies all listed up here for us. First one is PowerPoint. It's used to upgrade heroes. And each time you advance in a level, you can see right here, each different rank gives you different rewards. Now again, this is all beta, but I believe this is how it's going to work when the actual game launches. Here we got THC is the in-game Thetan coin, which can only be used in-game. Players can earn this and participating in battles and ranks. But this can be converted to THC token. That's the main thing, which can be sold on the market. Then we got THG is the in-game Thetan gem, which can only be used in-game. But this can also be converted to THG token, which can be sold in the market. Now, THG is the actual crypto that they have that's listed all over. That's at $7 right now. So this is where big things are gonna happen here. Big things are definitely gonna happen.
Silly goose. There's a health over here. Oh. It's here. Oh, let me grab all this stuff back.
Damn, what happened? You just go fucking...
Yeah. There's like fucking, I think it busting and makes me more tanky. My ability. Oh.
First strike.
Right here.
Got our health. I'm coming. Careful. There's a guy
Oh.
on me. I got my ability. Oh, clean house. Oh!
Kill.
That was a triple in my eyes, okay?
Alright, Alright guys, check this out. I just want to take you away from the action real quick and show you this roadmap. This roadmap is where the action's at because we're in quarter 4. So quarter 3 they did alpha tests. They launched the IDO for THG and they got the NFT heroes ready. Beta test is the official launch. That's what we're doing, is we're playing the beta test. The special events and hero rental is what they're going to be accomplishing. Quarter 1, 2022. Guilds. That's what I'm talking about. I want you to be a part of the paid to play guild and join us, and we can dominate 4s. We can dominate 4v4s, and we can just absolutely blow up, because then, depending on how big we get, we can do a 42-person battle royale. Who knows what that's going to be like? Maybe we can all play together. I don't know. But there's endless opportunities with this. Then they got a pet system. What? Guild quests? That's what I'm talking about. Staking, guild wars. We need you. Come be a part of the paid to play community because we are growing. We have guilds in all types of games. They're not just, it's not just this one. So we're looking at guilds in any MMORPG, but this actually has some nice gameplay. It's quite addicting. As you can tell, I've been playing it a lot with one of my elders in the Discord. I love him very much, man. He's a great gamer, and we dominate matches every day. It's awesome, absolutely awesome. We're gonna scroll up here. Oh, core team. I love it when they show their faces. We got a blockchain advisor. We need that. We need that. Here's the CEO. You can check all this stuff too on, their background is spotless. This is a beautiful team. Play to earn, free to earn. That's what I think that's healthy for any market to continue growing. You need to allow everybody to play, and I really think that's going to actually help them a lot. So that's a big plus, But they got hero evolving, staking, market look beautiful. So the Theta coin is what you can earn in special events, battle pass, ranking rewards, quests, guild war, and tournaments. Plenty of ways to earn. Here are the champions, and you saw a couple of the champions that we opened up to, and then the marketplace looks absolutely beautiful as well, and it's only in the beta phase, but either way, it's still, it may be in the beta phase, but it's still, you can get a feel for it, and you can see a lot of different, it's absolutely epic. This is a beautiful, mind-blowing game. I got loads of Theta token. I am ready. So check this stuff out. We're gonna get back to the action now.
Shooting that bush. I can plunger at someone. Oh.
First strike.
Hold on, let's not fight these guys right now. Oh, or not. Let's go in. Shit.
Yeah, there we go. That's one.
Let's bait this guy.
Oh,
Get
we got
that
this
out.
health.
Yeah.
There's another one over there too. That guy has a heal. Oh shit. There's a third team coming. Alright, let's step down to my teams. Goodbye, buddy. Plunder's GG on fucking melee champion.
Killing spree.
Oh. Oh. God damn.
Oh, there's a team coming on me. Damn it.
I fucking choked him. Enter move. Oh my god, that plunger, man. What kind is that? He's trying to res.
No way.
Oh. Yeah, I think so.
The battle begins.
Yeah.
My arrows are always ready.
He's so low, bro. Oh, we got a guy right here. Damn, he came in hot. I want that longbow. That shit cool as hell.
Double kill.
You only my kill there, man.
My bad.
Oh, I'm just kidding, man. I don't really care.
Oh,
I'm low as fuck, bro. He's clapping me.
He's dead. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead as fuck.
Jesus fuck.
Why did my ult cancel? What the fuck?
The battle will end in
God
30
damn it.
seconds.
Fucking all tabbed out.
Oh, should have hit, man.
Look at them running, bro.
Ooh, loser.
I'm low as fuck.
5, 4, 3,
Kill, good kill, good kill. Fuck. Yeah, we lost.
damn that one kill.
Kills are worth like shit ton more than.
Stick with this melee and stick in the middle here.
first strike.
Hey guys, focus on Superstar. Why are you all the way the fuck over there?
I don't know what the fuck superstar is, bro.
In the middle.
Alright, call it out, dude.
You got it.
Grab these stars, grab these stars. Perfect.
Killing spree. Killing spree.
Yeah, if
Pop
you
it
see
off,
big
man.
ass stars on there, we need them.
The big star.
Oh, damn it, big star right next to him. Son of a bitch.
My team needs me.
Let's go. Let's go down there. No way.
Double kill.
Fucking popping off here. Where's the star? Oh, star appears. Holy shit. fucking star, dude.
I got some stars. We need to get up here. Let's go. I'm gonna go this way. Go up, go up, go up. Here's that. Grab them. Grab them. Oh.
How come I can't use my other 2 abilities?
Oh, you gotta level up.
Oh,
Yeah, you gotta. Oh fuck. I'm dead.
Damn, they got the star again. Seriously?
Yeah, Dad.
Oh, you had
My
it?
team needs me.
Yeah. Gotta get that shit back. Just trying to catch up. Alright. Stars gonna spawn middle.
Alright, get in the middle then.
Fucking pop them off. They're trapped, you guys can get the star.
Got it.
Stay strong. They're coming.
They're close to level 7. Hell yeah.
The battle will end in 30 seconds. Killing spree. Match over.
There we go. Let's fucking go.